from you, baby. Oh, been so long. Why you keeping me waiting? Why you keeping me waiting? All I want, the love from you. Been so long. The love, all I want, the love from you, waiting. All I want, the love from you. Been so long. The love, all I want, the love from you. Why you keeping me waiting?
Tough love, guys, welcome back to another cooking episode here on our channel. Apologies for our first portion. We was quite busy because we're trying to get the umu done. We've got a massive pig for one of the church stuff, so that's on the umu now and it's baking. However, I'm now going to start on the other stuff we need to do. So we've got soup bones, sausage, got lamb neck in there somewhere. Then we have to do the faiai and the faiai pussy. So that's already down there. You guys can see that. Try and get flash on that octopus and the eel inside there. So got a lot of stuff to do, but we're going to get onto it now as soon as possible so we can get everything done before church finishes. Fingers crossed. Right, so we've got the the two fish, the umu in the oven and the fish that's going up to the church stuff and the pig. But we've also our umu, which we're going to have for toonai, is actually with the pig. that's baking with the pig. So that's almost all of it sorted. We've got the lamb neck soup on the heat. It's over there. So I'm just gonna go join Uncle Loy in the umukuka in the back, because we're gonna grill the eel and the octopus first before we put it in the coconut cream and then into the oven as well.
Why you keeping me waiting? Why you keeping me waiting? All I want, the love from you is so long. The love, all I want, the love from you waiting. All I want, the love from you is so long. The love, all I want, the love from you. Why you keeping me waiting? Why you keeping me waiting? All I want, the love from you is so long. The love, all I want, the love from you waiting. All I want, the love from you is so long. The love, all I want, the love from you. Why you keeping me waiting? Why you keeping me waiting? Why you keeping me waiting? All I want, the love from you is so long. The love, all I want, the love from you waiting. All I want, the love from you is so long. The love, all I want, the love from you. Why you keeping me waiting?
So the way I'm going about this is I've got a little Tupperware down there, container, and to ensure that none of the coconut is out, we arrange the foil in a way that sort of encompasses the container and ensures that nothing comes out. So see, so we've got this one going this side, another one with that one, and another one going that. Then what we do is just push down in the center, and that'll make the shape of where we need to put the faiai.
All I want, some tender love from you, baby. Oh, been so long. Why you keeping me waiting? Why you keeping me waiting? All I want, the love from you is so long. The love, all I want, the love from you waiting. All I Why you keeping me waiting? Why you keeping me waiting? All I want, the love from you is so long. The love, all I want, the love from you waiting. All I want, the love from you is so long. The love, all I want, the love from you.
Apologies guys, the phone cut out, battery dead, so couldn't capture most of the stuff, but just a bit on crunch time right now. Uncle Loy and Loyo actually checking up the pig and the umu, so I think that's done. On the other hand, I'm here trying to finish the cooking. One fish is done over there, got another one left in here. The umu already done here, but we've got another umu coming from Kuka, so it's quite chaotic at the moment, but trying my best to keep you guys updated. Jesus Christ. Alright guys, we finally finished. It was a really busy episode, so I do apologize if we didn't get as much content as we usually do on Sundays, but I will show you guys the final result. So the pig, the faiai and the fishes are now with Uncle has a church gathering, so that's for his toonai that we take to the church. But for us here at home, we've already got our umu that's already been taken to the house. We've got sausages for the kids. We've got our stir fry there, beef stir fry. And then we've got our lamb neck soup. Super yum. So it was really all hands on deck today, and feeling a little pain in the back from yesterday. So I think I'm gonna get some rest. Probably skip toonai for today. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's content. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel. And yeah, we'll catch you on the next episode. Until then, God bless, stay safe, take care.